and slow. I is for iceberg, lettuce so cool. J is for jackfruit, spiky and full. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemon, so sour and clean. M is for mango, golden and yummy. N is for nectarine, soft on the tummy. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for peas, in pods so tight. Q is for quince, tart in a pie. R is for radish, crisp and spry. S is for strawberry, red with a crown. T is for tomato, red, green or brown. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy and sweet. V is for vanilla bean, a fragrant treat. W is for watermelon, juicy and wide. X is for egg seed, blah, a melon from China's side. From China's side. Y is for yam, it just right. Z is for zucchini, green and light. Fruits and veggies, A to Z, healthy and happy, just like me.